Guys, Autofanatic. I'm going to do a quick video showing you how I denib brand new tires. Like I said, it may be something that you guys use the same method, but if not, I'm going to show you how exactly I do it, and I'm going to walk you through that real quick. So let me just show you. So the wheel and tire assembly, my new wheels and tires are on a brand new stand. A company called Source Garage sent this out to me. Let me just give you a quick close-up. This is a really cool auto detailing stand. It's all welded steel. They actually put the Autofanatic logo on it. Really, really cool. If you guys are interested in that, check out the website called Source Garage. I'll put a link in the description of this video. You see up here, it's got a steel roller in the back, and it's angled, and this is a pretty cool little rig. So this is what we're talking about here. See these little rubber nibs that stick out of the brand new tires. A lot of guys go in there with the straight razor blade, but I do it a little bit differently. And I'm going to set the camera up, and I'm going to try to get close-ups exactly how I do it, and hopefully you guys will get some tips, and you guys could absolutely do it yourselves as well. Some guys just pull them off. Some guys use a straight blade. But what I've noticed that a lot of shops that I've seen do it, and even enthusiasts, they tend to not get the little nipple all the way off, and there's a little bit of left on the sidewall. So this is how I'm pretty much going to do it today, and this is how I always do it. I use a number 11 X-Acto style blade, but these are not made by X-Acto. These are made by a company called Excel, right here, made in America. I found that the Excel blades in the last couple of years seem to be more consistent and sharper than the X-Acto brands, and these also seem to be a much better value. So I definitely suggest for around the garage and doing stuff to pick up one of these Excel kits and definitely get some of these blades, and you could do various things. I mean, I use these things a lot. I do a lot of my upholstery work and a lot of fabrication work with these specialty blades. So for me, I have to have sharp blades all the time, and I have to have consistency. So let me just get the camera set up, and I'll show you guys real quick. The way I tend to do denibbing is I pull on the nibs just with enough tension, and I take my number 11 blade and I rest it directly onto the sidewall, and you can see there in the camera, hopefully that'll pick it up, you're actually getting the tapered base that's on the sidewall. You're not leaving that little extra piece of rubber meat on the end. So it's relatively easy. You're just going to go around the tire, give it a little tension and a little light cut with the blade, and that's it. So you can see here with this wheel stand, it makes it pretty darn easy to go in there. And usually when I'm done denibbing the tires, then I go over and I give it a mineral spirits wipe. So there we go. So this takes you literally, this will take you a couple of minutes to do each wheel and tire assembly. And having this work stand definitely makes it a lot easier. Just like that. You see that? You can see the entire piece comes right off one shot. So you could just be a lot more precise with the number 11 blade versus a straight blade, and by pulling it, you're stretching the rubber and you're going to get a really nice, perfect cut. And that's pretty much how I like to do these. Alright guys, so here's a close-up of the tire nibs that came off, and like I was trying to show you on the camera, you could see that tapered end at the base, how even that's removed. So that's how you know you got a perfectly flush cut, and it just does a better job. So just go around the tire and you can see it there. Now we're ready for the next step. Final step, just a can of odorless mineral spirits. Get this at Lowe's, Home Depot, or anywhere. Definitely wear gloves. We're just going to take a cheap microfiber towel. We're going to douse it. And this is going to get all the mold release agents and the lubricant that was used to mount the tires on the rims off the sidewall and off the bead. And there was actually a lot of decals, you can see that there. There were a lot of decals on these when these things got shipped in with barcodes and everything else. And that's where a conventional APC or tire and rubber cleaner is just not going to get all that adhesive off that easily. This is just the way to go. And you guys have seen this on my channel before. I'm just showing it again. And this wheel stand, I gotta tell you, it's pretty darn good. The only one change I'd like to see is a little bit of a brake mechanism to stop it from spinning so quickly. That's where I think if you're not careful, you will knock the tire and wheel assembly off pretty easily. But you just gotta use two hands, and that's it. So that's it, guys. You can see pretty much denibbed the tires, used the odorless mineral spirits, took all the mold release agents and the adhesive off the sidewall of these new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned to the channel for more content. Please hit your notifications so every time I post a video, you guys will get a notification. A lot of people on YouTube are not getting those notifications. See you guys soon. Stay tuned to the channel for more content, autofanatic.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video.